We have a really encouraging conference coming up called The Secrets of a Happy Home at the Ark Encounter in the first week of October. And at that conference, we're going to take the attendees to Psalm 127 and 128, which really describes this: unless the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain who build it. We have a relaxing schedule with sessions in the first part of the day, and then everybody's cut loose at noon to go through the Ark Encounter. An opportunity we're offering is that you can upgrade your pass to a 3-day pass and spend time at both the Ark Encounter and the Creation Museum. This conference, Secrets of a Happy Home Life, will be so encouraging. Kevin Swanson and Carlton McLeod and myself will be preaching. You're going to be at the Ark in this marvelous place for families to be. I really hope you can join us October 3 and 4, 2025.